Tired of clients booking you when you're off? Here's exactly how to set weekly hours in Hostinger in under 5 minutes. We'll go from your dashboard to setting weekly hours and blocking unavailable times. Just follow these 12 simple clicks. Alright, let's start. You're going to want to open up your Hostinger website builder. Head right into your main dashboard area where you see your site listed. That's our starting point. Now look for the menu on the left side. You'll see a bunch of options. What we need is the one labeled More. Give that a click. This expands into additional settings. So from that More menu, you're going to see an icon that looks like a little calendar. Hostinger actually calls it calendar_month in the interface. Click on that icon to open up your booking calendar. Once the calendar loads up, look across the top. You'll see a few different tabs. One of them says Availability. Click on that. This is where all the magic happens for controlling when people can book you. And here's the really important part. Right there on the availability page, you'll spot a section called Weekly Hours. This is your main control center. Click on that. Now you're looking at a blank weekly grid. It's Monday through Sunday, and you'll see time slots running down the side. What you want to do is click and drag to highlight your first available time block. So for example, if you work from 9 in the morning to noon on Mondays, just highlight that section. The interface is really visual here. It turns blue when you select it. Continue with your second time block. Maybe you work 1 to 4 in the afternoon as well. Just highlight that stretch on the grid. Each block you add is another slot clients can book. Alright, let's add a third block. Maybe you're available Tuesday mornings too. Same thing. Just click and highlight that time period. The system is smart enough to let you build out your whole week, one chunk at a time, and one more for good measure. Set your fourth time block, maybe Thursday afternoons or Friday mornings. Go ahead and highlight that. Before you know it, your entire week is mapped out exactly how you want it. So now that we've got the weekly hours set, let's handle those times you're definitely not available. Scroll down a bit on the same page and you'll see an option that says Unavailable Times. Click on that. This brings up a list of any blocked periods you might have already set. If there's one you need to change, just click Edit Blocked Time next to it. And here's where you get super specific. You'll see an option that says Set Specific Dates when you're unavailable. Click on that. This lets you block out entire days, maybe a holiday, a vacation, or a personal day. Pick your date, and done. Nobody can book you on that day. So there you have it. From your dashboard to full control over your weekly hours in just a few minutes. No more clients sneaking into your off time. You're now the boss of your own schedule. Go ahead and give it a try. You've got this.